In this tutorial, we will have a look at how we get started and a little bit about how this site is organized. It's called Showbie, and as you can see, you have a lot of links here on the top page, and for you and your students, it's the sign in that is the starting point. When I go to sign in, you can see that this is Norwegian. It doesn't matter, because you have to log on with your email or username and you choose your own password. But if you look down below at the bottom of the site, you can see if you don't have an account, you can register for free. So if I open this link, you can see I am a teacher, I'm a pupil or student, or I'm a parent. And right now there is nothing here. No teacher, no student, no parent. So what I recommend you do first is that you register as a teacher. And then if you have a friend or maybe a colleague teacher, invite that person to be your first student, so you can play around a little bit with this program before you start using it with your children. Because you are the one, as a teacher, who actually start this school. And you can have one pupil, you can have 2, 5, 100, it's up to you. So it's actually a starting point where everything is blank. You are the one who's building it up the way you want and with those you want to attend your classroom, digital classroom. So okay, I'm a teacher, and it says register with an email or register with Google. I prefer to use the email because I feel that is more safe. The title, your first name, your surname, email, and your password. And when you're registered, you're a teacher, and that's where we start. So let's do that in the next video.